Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your reliable source for all things personal finance and real estate. We're here to untangle the complexities of finance, making it accessible, understandable, and more importantly, actionable for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey into personal finance, HouseLux Estate is here to guide you every step of the way. We believe that a solid financial foundation opens up a world of possibilities, and we're committed to providing you with the knowledge and tools to build that foundation. From budgeting tips to investment strategies, real estate insights to retirement planning, we've got it all covered. And remember, personal finance is not a destination, it's a journey. And every journey begins with a single step. So why not take that step with us? Today, we have a special guide on how to start your own personal finance blog. So why start a personal finance blog? Well, there's a myriad of reasons. First and foremost, it's an incredible platform to enhance your financial literacy. By researching, writing, and teaching about personal finance, you're not only helping others, but also solidifying your understanding of the topic. Secondly, there's the enticing possibility of generating income. Yes, it may take some time, but with dedication and high-quality content, your blog can become a valuable asset. You could earn through advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even by selling your own products or services. Lastly, a personal finance blog can be a powerful tool for community building. It's a space where like-minded individuals can engage, share experiences, and learn from each other. It fosters a sense of belonging and camaraderie, a virtual gathering place for those passionate about personal finance. Now that you understand the importance of a personal finance blog, let's dive into the steps to create one. First things first, you need to identify your niche. You see, a personal finance blog is just like a restaurant. If you try to serve every type of cuisine, your customers will be overwhelmed and unsure of what you're really good at. So let's narrow it down. Are you passionate about frugal living, budgeting, or investing? Do you have a knack for teaching others about credit scores and mortgages? Or perhaps you're an expert at planning for retirement or navigating the world of student loans. These are all potential niches you could focus on. By choosing a specific area of personal finance, your content becomes more targeted, your voice more authoritative. You're not just another finance blogger. You're the go-to expert in your chosen niche. Remember, your niche can be as broad or as narrow as you want, but it should be something you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Once you've identified your niche, you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to set up your blog. First things first, you'll need to select a blogging platform. This is where you'll write, edit, and publish your posts. There are many options out there, from the ever-popular WordPress, which offers a plethora of customizability and features, to simpler, streamlined platforms like Medium or Blogger. When selecting your platform, consider your technical ability, your budget, and what features you'll need for your personal finance blog. Next up is choosing your domain name. This is your blog's address on the internet, and it's how people will find you. Your domain name should be memorable, easy to type, and ideally it should reflect your blog's focus on personal finance. You can purchase domain names from a variety of providers online, but make sure to do your research and choose a reputable one. Once you've secured your domain name, it's time to think about hosting. Your hosting provider stores all the files for your blog and delivers them to users when they type in your domain name. There are free hosting options available, but for a more professional and reliable service, you might want to consider paid hosting. Now that the technical details are out of the way, we can move on to the fun part, designing your blog. Your blog's design should be clean, easy to navigate, and reflective of your brand. Remember, this is a personal finance blog. It's essential to convey a sense of trustworthiness and authority to your readers. You can find plenty of blog design templates online, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can design your blog from scratch. With your blog platform selected, your domain name purchased, your hosting sorted, and your blog designed, you're all set. You've built a home for your personal finance insights and advice. It's a place where you can share your knowledge and help others navigate their financial journeys. With your blog set up, it's time to move on to content creation. Content is king in the blogging world. Picture this. You've built an amazing platform. It's sleek, it's stylish, it's user-friendly. But what is a platform without content? It's like a stage without a performance. It's your content that will bring your audience to the stage and keep them there, captivated. Creating quality content is a three-step dance. The first step is to write, not just any writing, but engaging and informative writing. Your personal finance blog isn't a diary, it's a resource. Your readers are looking for answers. They're looking to understand the complex world of personal finance, and they've come to you for clarity. So give them that. Break down complex financial topics into digestible, easy-to-understand pieces. Use anecdotes, use examples, use humor, make it personal. The second step in this dance is keyword research for SEO or search engine optimization. This is how your blog gets discovered. This is how you attract organic traffic. So how do you do it? You think like your reader. What are they typing into that search bar? What are they looking for? These are your keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Uber suggests to find keywords related to personal finance. Incorporate these keywords into your blog posts. But remember, don't force it. Your content should still read naturally. The final step is creating a content schedule. Consistency is key. Your readers should know when to expect new content from you. Whether it's once a week or once a month, pick a schedule and stick to it. This not only keeps your readers engaged, but it also keeps you accountable. Creating quality content is like crafting a performance. It takes time, it takes effort. But when the curtain lifts and the spotlight is on, it's your content that will captivate the audience. Quality content is the heart of your blog, but it won't reach anyone without proper promotion. Now that you have quality content, it's time to promote your blog. Promotion is a critical step in the journey of blogging. It's the bridge that connects your insightful content to the audience who needs it. So let's delve into some effective strategies to get your blog out there. First, social media marketing. In this digital age, social media platforms are vibrant communities where people connect, share, and discover. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn can be instrumental in promoting your blog. Create engaging posts, share snippets of your blog content, and foster discussions. Remember, social media is all about engaging with your audience, so be responsive and attentive to their comments and messages. Next, email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email hasn't lost its charm. It remains a personalized way to reach people who have shown interest in your content. Start by building an email list. Offer your readers something valuable in exchange for their email addresses, like a free ebook or a weekly newsletter. Then, use this list to periodically share updates about new blog posts, exclusive content, or any exciting news related to your blog. Now let's talk about networking with other bloggers. This might seem old school, but it's a tried and true method for promoting your blog. By connecting with other bloggers in your niche, you can cross-promote each other's content, collaborate on projects, or even guest post on each other's blogs. This not only helps you reach a broader audience, but also builds relationships that can be beneficial in the long run. Lastly, don't forget about SEO or search engine optimization. By optimizing your blog for search engines, you increase the chances of people finding your content when they're searching for information on personal finance. This involves using relevant keywords, creating quality backlinks, and ensuring your blog is mobile-friendly. With consistent promotion, your blog will begin to grow. Remember, this is not a sprint but a marathon. Consistency, patience, and persistence are key. Now go out there and let the world discover the value you have to offer. Starting a personal finance blog is a rewarding journey. We've walked you through the vital steps today. First, we identified the importance of finding your unique niche, that special area of finance that speaks to you and your potential readers. Next, we delved into setting up your blog, making it visually appealing and user-friendly because first impressions do count. Then we explored creating quality content. We can't stress enough that content is king. Your posts need to be engaging, informative, and valuable to keep your readers coming back for more. Lastly, we discussed promoting your blog. It's essential to get your blog out there through social media, SEO, and networking. Remember, every successful blog started with a single post, so don't hesitate. Start your journey today, and who knows? You might be the next big thing in the personal finance blogging world. Thank you for tuning in to House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.